Hello everyone. Now next concept is unit digit. So unit digit, first you should know what do you mean by unit digit. For example, if there is a number, right? So 12375. What is the unit digit? This one, the last number. This is the unit digit. So in the question, we no need to find the whole answer. We will check the unit digit only, and we will consider to solve the question. We will consider the unit digits in the question. For example, if I'm saying the question is 72, 73, 74, 76. Now tell me the unit digit of this number. So obviously we will not multiply all the number and then check the last digit. What we will do, if they are asking for the unit digit, we will pick the unit digit only. So see, this is 2, this is 3. 2 into 3, 6. Because multiply sign is there, so we will multiply. 2 multiplied by 3, 6. 6 multiplied by 4, right? That gives you 24. Again, don't pick 24, pick 4 only, the last digit. Okay, then 4 into 6, again 24. So my answer, last digit is 4 here. My answer is 4. I hope it is clear. Let's take one more example. 13, 14, 18, 17. So pick the last digit. See, 3 into 4, that is 12, right? 12. Pick the last digit, 2 only. So 2 into 8, that gives you 16. 2 into 8, 16. Pick the last digit only. 6 into 7, that is 42. Pick the last digit, so answer is 2. Right, everyone? So sometimes what we will have, sometimes like 12 into 10 into 15 into 17. So here, as you can see, in one number there is already 0. So no need to check all the number, because when we multiply 0 with any number, that will be 0 only. So direct answer will be 0. Okay, let's have one more number. Sometimes the multiplication come as 0. Okay, for example, here 12 into 15 into 17. So see, when we multiply it, so 2 into 5, that comes as 10, right? So last unit digit is 0, so it means 0 we will multiply to other number, that is 0. So direct answer 0. So these were the normal questions when you will find out the unit digit. Simple, you can have in addition as well, so you can find unit digit accordingly. Let's discuss the question based on like when we are having raised to power, right? How to find the unit digit when we are having raised to power. So there are many numbers from 0 to 10. Let me discuss one by one. Okay. So here, how many numbers are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the numbers. Let's discuss one by one. You will have the question, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 5. How we will find the unit digit of these numbers? So these numbers, see, we will always take the unit digit first. So if there is 0, it means, as you can see, 0 raised to power anything, that will always remain 0, right? So whatever the power there is, if there is 0, it means my answer is 0, because we are talking about unit digit. We are not talking about the whole number, right? So last digit will be always remain 0. So same as 0. So we know that 0 will always remain same. Similarly, when there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 5, it is always again 1, right? Because 1 remains 1 only. 1 raised to power anything, that remains 1. Okay, so in 1 again remains same. So can you tell me like how many more numbers are there same as 0 and 1? So yes, there are 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And raised to power 1, 2, 3, 5. So that is unit digit 5 only, because 5 raised to power anything, it is always remain 5. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 5, it is always 6, because again 6 raised to power anything, because 6 raised to power 1, that is 6. 6 raised to power 2, 36. So see, unit digit 6. Right? 6 raised to power 1, 6. 6 raised to power 2, 36. Unit digit 6. 6 raised to power 3. So again 6, 6, again 6 here. So as you can see, the unit digit always remain 6. So I hope you understand that for 0, for 1, for 5 and for 6, the unit digit always remain same. Let's discuss some more numbers. So I can write here on the numbers that these are always remain same. 0, 1, 5 and 6. Let's discuss some more number. For example, 4. So if there is 1, 2, 3, 5, 4 and the raised to power is 1, 2, 3, 5. So what we will check here? In 4 that is always not remain same. So what we can do, let me discuss here. 4 raised to power 1, that is 4. 4 raised to power 2, we can check the last digit only, right? That is 6. Okay, 4 square 16, right? So 4 cube. Now 6 will multiply to 4 again, that will 4. Last digit 4. 4 raised to power 4. 4 will multiply 4 again, that again 6. So as you can see here, I hope you can see 4, 6. 4, 6, right? And it depends on the power. See, whenever the power is odd, 1, 3, then again 5, right? The number is 4. But whenever the power is even, then the number is 6. So from here we got to know that whenever the last digit is 4, we will check the power. If the power is even, then the unit digit is 6. If the power is odd, then the unit digit is 4. Right, everyone? So one number we can have same as 4. In 4 we will check odd even, same as 9. Odd even. See, 9 raised to power 1, 9. 9 square, that is 1. Unit digit. 81 na? 1 is the unit digit. Then 9 cube, again 9. Then 9 raised to power 4, again 1. So whenever the power is even, the unit digit, whenever there is 9 in the number, and the power is even, then the unit digit is 1. Or whenever it is odd, the unit digit is 9. Clear? Now 4 and 9 is completed. Now let's check the last remaining numbers, that is 2, 3, 7 and 8. So only one concept is there for remaining numbers 2, 3, 7 and 8. We can discuss one and you will understand all the other numbers at the same time, right? Let's discuss now. So see, if the number is 1342 raised to power 1324, 13241, okay? So now there is 2 last digit. What we will do here, raised to power 1 is 2, 2 square, that is 4, 2 cube, that is 8, 2 raised to power 4, that is 16, right? So 6 is the last digit. So again, if I am finding 2 raised to power 5, so see, 6 last digit and this one 2. 6 into 2, again the last digit is 2. Okay, 2 raised to power 6. So this is last digit 2, and when I multiply by 2, 2 into 2, that gives you 4. So you can see here, that is the numbers 2486, right? This number and again 2486, 2486, that will repeat. So this is called the cycle of 4, because after every 4 digits na, the number will repeat, right? So if I'm saying 1352 raised to power 135, so if this one you are having, so last digit is 2 here. So as you can see 135, it means after every 4 number this will repeat na? So 135 we can reduce the power by dividing by 4. And I know that what is the divisibility rule of 4? That is last 2 digits. 35 divided by 4. 4 into 8, 32, right? It gives me 3. So what we can do here, we can replace the power by 3. So that gives you 2 cube and that is 8. So direct answer is 8. Clear? So for 2, because this is the cycle of 4, I can say that after every 4 number of the power, the last digits will be repeated. Okay, so I hope this is clear. This is not only for the 2. This is for 3, for 7, for 8. Same concept. Let me explain. See, 3 raised to power 1 is 3. 3 square, that is 9. 3 cube, that is last digit 7, right? 3 raised to power 4. So 7 into 3, last digit 1. So again, if I'm finding 3 raised to power 5, that gives you 3, last digit, right? 3 raised to power 6, that gives you 9. So as you can see, 3, 9, 7, 1. Again, the cycle of 4. Again, 3, 9, 7, 1, it will repeat. Same as for 7, 7 raised to power 1, 7. 7 square, that is last digit 9. 7 cube, that is last digit 9 into 7, 3, right? Last digit 7, again if I multiply by 7, so last digit 3, 3 into 7, that gives you 1. Again 7 raised to power 5, again you can see it is 7. So 7, 9, 3, 1, cycle of 4. Same as for 8, 8 raised to power 8, 8 raised to power 2, that gives you 4. 8 cube, that gives you 8 into 4, 2, right? 8 into 4. So 8 into 2, that gives you 6. So again 8 into 5. So this is 6, this is 8. 8 6 are 48, again 8. So 8, 4, 2, 6, again the cycle of 4. So we can say this for 2, 3, 7 and 8. That is the cycle of 4. I hope it is clear. So let's recall it. That is for 0, 1, 2 and 5. That will remain same. For 4 and 9, we will check the even and odd powers. And for 2, 3, 7 and 8, we will check the cycle of 4. Means we will divide the power by 4 and replace the power by the remainder. I hope it is clear. Let's do some questions now. So see, last digit is 4. In 4, what we will check? The power. If the power is even, then it is 6. If the power is odd, then it is 4. I hope you got the answer. The power is even, so my answer is 6 here. Next question. So this one is 8. We know that for 8, it means the cycle of 4. So divide the last two digit, 87. Divide by 4. So 4 2s are 8. It gives you 7, 4, 3. So it means 8 cube. And what is 8 cube? 8 raised to power 1, 8. 8 square, 4. 8 cube, that is 2. So my answer is 2 here. Next is now 7. Again 7, I hope you can do that. 23. Divide by 4. 4 into 5, 20. That is 3. So 7 cube, that is the last digit is 3. Next, so 6. So see, you can have this type of question as well. 6 means always remain same. So last digit is 6. But for 7, I can find it because 42 divided by 4, right? So the remainder is 2 here. It means 7 square. The last digit is 9. So I can write 9 here. So 9 into 6. Yes, 9 5 45, 9 6 54. Last digit is 4. Okay. So use the same operation. This is multiply. So multiply here. Next question. So see, again there is 2. Yes, this question is very interesting because 232 raised to power 4520. See, every time now we are getting a remainder, right? But what about this? See, 2 is there. So it means the cycle of 4. But when I divide 20 by 4, it gives me 0 remainder. What does it mean? So this is very simple. See, always this is the cycle of 4. Na? 2 raised to power 1, 2, 2 square, 4, 2 cube, that is 8, right? 2 raised to power 4, that is 6. Now see, uh, if I multiply by 4, always we are getting the remainder 1, 2, 3, 4. We cannot have 4 here. Na? So if I am having 4 here, it means the remainder 0 only. Because 4 is completely divisible by 4. It means I can say if the power is 4, it means this is the remainder 0 only. It doesn't mean that 2 raised to power 1, it should be 2 raised to power 0, it should be 1. No. 4, 2 raised to power 4 means 4 is the remainder. And 4 is the remainder means remainder is 0. Both are same, right? Because 4 is completely divisible by 4. So I can say whenever the remainder is 0, you will take the power 4. So answer is 6 here. Next question, again 258 raised to power 116. So see 8, it means cycle of 4. Again, you can see here 16 completely divisible by 4. It means 8 raised to power 4 is my answer. And 8 raised to power 4 is, I hope you understand, you can give the answer in the comment section. All right, I hope this is clear to all of you, the unit digit. Thank you so much.